So, you know that scripture that says that all things are working for the good of those who love God? Well, let's just say that the past couple months have been truly a testimony to that. Hey guys, it's your girl Chanel K. Nelly B. And yes, I'm holding my camera in my hand because I had thought long and hard about how I wanted to come back to YouTube and do this big grand thing. But then I realized that, in spite of everything that has happened, a whole lot of good came out of my car getting stolen. But being able to move into a newer space and having a dedicated space to film has been a big plus for us, or for me. And I realized that I'd never shown you all like exactly what I've done with this space. So I really wanted to take the opportunity to show you guys what I've done. So fun fact, I always had like all these lights, but was never really able to use them because back in our old apartment, I didn't have space for them. So it's so cool finally being able to set them up. I'm still trying to figure out how to position them to get the lighting that I want, but it's a work in progress. Either way, welcome to my creative space. It's not the fanciest, but I just added a couple things that really make it a bit more special to me. So first and foremost, let's start with the shelving. So this, and of course this, they're all from Brand Source. This is something, all of them I had from the old apartment. Y'all would notice this from behind my videos, as well as this to the side of my videos. I kind of use this as my little vanity area. I would sit at the edge of my bed and like record lives and stuff. Sometimes have my phone right there and record and do my things there, my makeup, my skincare, etc. So this is what was my desk in our old apartment. After working at our little dining table for months and the back pain was not cutting it, I needed a proper desk, so we went and we got this. It was small enough to fit where I needed it. And when we moved here, the other side of this room is my office. We got a bigger desk for both of my computers, and I converted this to where I would sit and do my makeup and stuff like that. I also wanted to show you guys these baskets. I bought these baskets for like $4 or $5. I bought like 12 of them at Estyle. They're actually blue, and if you can look on the inside, let me take out something. If you look on the inside, you will see that it's gray. So my girlfriend and I had initially spray painted the inside gray, but the gray spray paint wasn't staying. So she had come up with the idea to wrap some of this cord around this glass jar, and that ended up with me wrapping these other jars. I don't know what I'm going to put in these here yet, but wrapping these with the same cord and then wrapping the baskets. And I absolutely love how the baskets turned out. I still have some that I've not wrapped. I don't know what I'm going to do with them, how I'm going to use them for anything else, but very happy with what I have done so far. If you notice, there's a little bit of a color scheme, like the dusty color, the mauve, the cream, the white, and that ties into this rug. I got this rug from Jardine store, and it was really this rug and these curtains. Y'all would know these curtains from my old apartment. These are also from the Jardine store. So I really wanted to tie in white, cream, gray, and those like mauvey, dusty pink colors, which also brings me to these flowers. I got the flowers at Estyle as well, and the vase I got at Motor Life. So Shanae, actually, my girlfriend Shanae, did like a little arrangement for me. I absolutely love it, and it just adds a little bit of, a little brightness to the wall because it's just a very, you know, plain cream wall. Speaking of wall, so this will, like, someone said it's like a dream catcher. Let me step back a little bit so y'all could see it better. Someone said it's like a dream catcher. I just saw something like it when I googled like macrame ideas. So it was inspired by something that I saw on, I think when I did a Google search or a Pinterest search, and I got the ring as well as the macrame. Well, I'm not sure if that's considered macrame cord, but whatever cord it is, I got both the ring and the cord at Samaroo's, and this is what we came up with. Absolutely loved it because I wanted something that, you know, would be just aesthetically pleasing to the eye when I look up, and but also just add a little bit of interest to the background when I'm filming. So if we move across here, the lamp, this lamp was like, it was cheap. It was like $138, I think it was. It was less than 150. It's from Motor Live. Shan Essence also did a customized candle for me in one of my favorite scents from them, which is Oak Amber and Moss. As you can tell, it's been lit. Love the smell of it. Also love the fact that it has a really nice hot cold throw, so when I come into the room I can smell the candle even when it's not lit. These stones, I do not remember the name of the lady who I bought these stones from some years ago, like before the pandemic, but she used to sell painted stones at like different markets. I would have got these from her at the last things TT in 2019. And live, laugh, love, always like that phrase. So the fact that she had it, I was like, yes, take my money. And then this right here, this is an art piece from a very dear friend of mine named Halcyon. I love her art style, and I do want to get something bigger from her. But when I saw this little piece with this head wrap, I was like, yes, please. I will absolutely take that, and I did. I totally forgot to mention the chair. My chair. Y'all, this is such a comfortable chair. I got this chair at Motor Live. As for my car, so we hadn't heard anything for a little while, and then a colleague indicated to us that they thought that they saw a vehicle being transported by the police to a certain police station. So we called, found out that there was a car that may have matched the description there. So we went down to see it, and like, listen, between us hearing that our car may have been there to when we actually went, your girl was emotional roller coaster as I try and figure out, okay, what do we do? What happens? Like, a million questions were going through my mind in terms of, if this is our car, what do we do? You know what I mean? However, when we got there and we went to check, unfortunately, it wasn't our vehicle. But at the same time, I mean, I was relieved, but also sad. But I've come to a point where, like I said, all things work for the good of those who love God. So even though, you know, we lost our vehicle, we did gain more things, like gain really good things. And we just trust in God, and, you know, we continue to move. You know, the past couple months have been a roller coaster, to say the least. But a lot of good has come out of it. And, you know, I've been finally like getting back into creating content and stuff, which feels good. But I did realize that while I was focusing on TikTok and, you know, Instagram and stuff like that, that I needed to focus on YouTube, because YouTube is where I really started. And I'm just happy to be back. I'm gonna try to keep up with my every Sunday videos. And if you all have any suggestions for content ideas, anything you want me to talk about, y'all let me know. So I hope y'all let me know your thoughts on my little setup. I'll share all the deets to where I got what in the description. And if you have any other decorating ideas, let me know, because I'm still decorating house. So thank you guys for watching. As always, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, take care and God bless. Bye.